Today we are going to see about archaea bacteria. So archaea bacteria are primitive prokaryotes. They are primitive primitive prokaryotes are adapted to thrive in extreme environment like hot springs, high salinity, low pH. They are mostly hemoautotrophs. They are mostly hemoautotrophs. Hemoautotrophs means they will do their they will prepare their own food with the help of the chemicals. Here, the unique feature of this group is the presence of lipids like glycerol and isopropyl ether. So they will have glycerol and isopropyl ether in their cell membrane. Due to the unique chemical composition, the cell membrane shows resistance against cell wall antibiotics and lytic agent. So example for this is Methanobacterium. How old are Cyanobacterium? Stromatolites. Stromatolites reveals the truth. Stromatolites are deposits formed when colonies of cyanobacteria bind with calcium carbonate. Okay, ma? So, cyanobacteria bind with calcium carbonate. They have a geological age of 2.7 billion years. Their abundance in their fossil record indicates that cyanobacteria helped in raising the level of free oxygen in the atmosphere. Cyanobacteria are popularly called as blue-green algae. It is properly called as blue-green algae or Cyanophyceae. They are photosynthetic prokaryotic organism. According to the evolutionary record, cyanobacteria are primitive forms and are found in different habitats. Most of them are freshwater and few of them are marine. Species of Nostoc, Anabaena lead an endophytic life in the coralloid root of Cycas. They lead a life that is endophytic. Endo means live within the root, live inside the root. Okay, ma? So they are endophytic life in the coralloid roots of the Cycas. Leaves of aquatic fern Azolla by establishing a symbiotic association and fix atmospheric nitrogen. Members like Nostoc, Cyctonema are found as phycobionts in lichens, thalli. Salient features of cyanobacteria. The members of these groups are prokaryotes and lack motile reproductive structure. The thallus is unicellular in Crocus, colonial in Glucopessa, and filamentous trichome in Nostoc. Gliding movement is noticed in some species, for example, like Oscillatoria. The protoplasm is differentiated into central region called centroplasm and peripheral region bearing chromatophore called chromoplasm. The photosynthetic pigments include C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin along with
myxoxanthin and myxoxanthophil. The reserve food material is Cyanophyceae starch. In some forms, a large colorless cell is found in the terminal or intercalary position called heterocyst. They are involved in nitrogen fixation. They reproduce only through vegetative methods and produce akinetes. That is, they will be having thick walled dormant cell formed from the vegetative cell. Harmogonia, that is, a portion of a filament get detached and reproduce by cell division and also by fission and endospores. The presence of mucilages around the thallus is a characteristic feature of this group. Therefore, this group is also called as Myxophyceae. Sexual reproduction is absent. Microcyst aeruginosa anabina flows aqua, causes water blooms and releases toxins and affect the aquatic organism. Most of them fix atmospheric nitrogen and are used as biofertilizers. Example, Nostoc anabina. Spirulina is rich in protein. Hence, it is used as single cell protein. Mycoplasma or mollicutes. The mycoplasma are very small, pleomorphic, gram-negative microorganisms. They are first isolated by Nocard and co-workers in the year 1898 from pleural fluid of cattle affected with bovine pleuropneumonia. They lack cell wall and appear like fried egg in culture. The DNA contains low guanine and cytosine content than true bacteria. They cause diseases in animals and plants. Little leaf of brinjal, witch's broom of legumes, phyllodes of cloves, sandal spike or some plant disease caused by mycoplasma. Pleuropneumonia is caused by Mycoplasma mycoides. Actinomycetes, or otherwise it is called as actinobacteria. Actinomycetes are also called ray fungi due to their mycelia-like growth. They are anaerobic or facultative anaerobic microorganisms and are gram-positive. They do not produce an aerial mycelium. Their DNA contain high guanine and cytosine content. Example, Streptomyces. Frankia is a symbiotic actinobacterium which produces root nodules and fixes nitrogen in non-leguminous plants such as alunus and casuarina. They produce multicellular sporangium. Actinomyces bovis grow in oral cavities and cause lumpy jaw. Streptomyces is a mycelial forming antibacteria which lives in soil. They impart earthy odor to the soil after rain, which is due to the presence of geosmin, that is volatile organic compound. Some important antibiotics, namely streptomycin, chloramphenicol, and tetracycline, are produced from this genus.